Hello guys, welcome back to Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. Thank you guys for joining my video or joining this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, and if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please take a few minutes out and press subscribe on this video. Today's video on my business channel, which is Successful Wear LLC, because we have a small business, home-based small business. I'm just going to be covering basically how to keep your head in the game with running a small business, and also how not to get discouraged when you're running a small business, and also how not to give up when you're running a small business. Now, these are three areas that some may find that this is a good video, because if you're just starting in on a new business and you just started it maybe last year or this year, you just started it, it may seem like it's a lot of work. It may seem like, this takes a lot of work, this takes a lot of paperwork, this takes a lot of logistics. It's just, or you might be like, oh yeah, there's those days where sales may not be coming through if you sell an actual product, or you have a storefront, a brick and mortar, and that's not really pulling in the customers. I guess the best thing would probably be to say is to just keep pushing, if it's your job, it's your small business, it's your company, then you have to control like the ups and the downs. There'll be downs, probably more downs than ups, depending upon what kind of business you have, depending upon what marketing that you have, depending upon how much customers you may have or be seeking. Those days happen a lot. Sometimes there'll be a rush of business. Sometimes there'll be somebody that needs this done and they need it done right then and there, and your business can accommodate that. But then there's sometimes when there's the down days. That's what this video is for, because contrary to what others may believe or say, there's a lot of down days. Contrary to what you may see people post on the internet or even on this platform, there's going to be down days. Even in the most lucrative, successful business, you'll have a down day. And then there'll be the good days. So basically, the point of this video is to try to keep your head in the game and keep you focused on the prize, which is to make your business successful. That's the prize at the end of the day. That's what we all want. That's what we're all, starting a business for, so that we don't have to work for others and that we can be successful in whatever our joint venture business is. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes people lose their business. Sometimes businesses go under because of lack of success. And that's okay. At least you tried. At least you put your feet in it. At least you tried to give it your all. But before that happens, you want to keep giving it your all. You want to keep trying to look for avenues to make it pop. You want to keep trying to look for customers, even if it's in your own household, your own family, just to keep, the business afloat, to keep the word spreading, to keep, marketing through mouth and things like that. You got to keep going. You got to keep trying. You got to keep creating. You got to keep whatever. If the door slams, open the door up again. If it slams again, open it up. If it slams again, you got to keep opening it. You got to keep opening it, because if it slams and you let it stay slammed, then what good is what you try to put into your business? What good is it if you can't make it work no matter what the pressures are? It's going to be hard. That's why I'm doing this video. I don't want somebody to get up here and be like, oh, well, you see other people like, oh, they're doing so good, and oh, let me try to do that, or when I'm going to start my own business because this one's doing this, and it seems like, no, because this one may be not telling you the fulfilled story, which is, no, I'm not doing good. No, my business is not pulling in customers. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. And that is what happens. It happens in business. And all you do as a small business owner or even a big corporation business owner is to keep pushing out your product, keep thinking of ideas, innovative ideas that will create good product, keep pushing and keep having the determination to make your business successful. Because at the end of the day, and at the end of all the paperwork and all the smoke, that's what we all want. We just want our business to be successful. I want to say I apologize, guys, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to upload a video, at least one video or two videos a week. Definitely one a week, just to keep my people that are subscribed to this channel or anybody that may come across this video grounded or informed or in the know for what may be to come. And what may be to come is you may have a bad week. You may have a bad year, literally a bad year. You know, income tax time comes, instead of getting taxes back, most times you have to pay taxes in small business. Those that are actually, you know, out there doing things legally, not legally, but like actually having registered their business with the state, having paid taxes, having, you know, pay small business taxes. That's what we have to do when it comes time for taxes. We have to most times pay off taxes. And you want to be prepared for that. You want to pay taxes if you have a small business. You don't want to lapse on taxes. You see excuse me, I have bad allergies. You see big stars, even big stars, get in trouble for not paying taxes. People get busy, they get into their own little world, they get into the everyday thing, and then they forget that old thing, Uncle Sam, which is taxes. It's a must. It's a must. If you're going to have a business or if you're going to be working on anything, you have to pay your business taxes. So guys, I had to put my robe on because it's a little chilly and I work from home. But yeah, guys, that's what this video is about. This vlog is to make sure that, you know, in your business venture, in your business, whatever your craft is, whatever you're going to be doing for your small business, whatever that may be, just make sure that you have your plan laid out. And if you don't have your plan laid out before you jump into this business venture, you might want to take it slow, do your homework, go study up on whatever you're going to be doing a business in, go do as much research on it, see how much of your competition is out there, see how much people are doing the same business as you. So then once that comes into sight, then you got to see, okay, so now what can I do that's going to make people want to get something from me that's a little bit different because everybody else is doing this or doing that, or this one does that or this one does that. So then you have to really push hard to push and produce different extra stuff that's eye-popping, eye-catching, or whatever it is, you know, so that you can, you know, bring in the money. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all for. You want to bring in some money. You want to make your business have some dough. You want to make sure that you have maybe returning customers or new customers or customers that say, oh, I heard that you know how to do this, or I gave it a shot, or, you know, you did this for me before. I was wondering if you could do this again or do me another whatever. So I want to thank everybody for tuning into this vlog, this video, guys. And please don't forget, if you didn't subscribe to this video and you like this video and you like what you hear on this video and you're interested, please subscribe to my channel, Successful Wear LLC on YouTube, guys. Again, that's Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. And you also may feel free to check out our website, which is www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. Again, you can Google that at Successful Wear Clothing, or Successful Wear, successfulwearclothing.com, successfulwearllcclothing.com, or feel free to Google Successful Wear LLC. However you want to do it, it will come up, guys. And just check out our website and see what you think about it. Check out our website, see if you're interested in our custom designs, or if you're interested in having us do some custom designing for you. We also do all kind of customs, not just t-shirts, not just sweatshirts. We do, you know, all kind of custom products, whatever that may be. Whatever's hot, custom cups. I'm going to be start working on those tumbler things. That's like the hot thing right now. So I'm going to start putting a couple of those on my website too, guys. Yeah, just have an amazing day today. Happy Tuesday, early morning Tuesday, guys. Have an amazing day in your business today. Work your business to your fulfillment, to as much as you can, work it, and then work it some more, and to try to get out of it what you came in to get out of it. Happy Tuesday, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. Have an amazing day today, and don't forget to like this video. Bye.